Crafts Day 2 with Miss Rachel. That's me. Today, you're going to need some supplies. First, you're going to need to go find your scissors. And then, you're going to need to find a pen, or a pencil, or a crayon, or a marker, something to write with, whatever you like. Just go grab it really quick. Now that you got it, we're going to open up our box and find our Day 2 craft card. First, must wear the sunglasses. And then, we have our Day 2 craft card. Looks like this. It says Day 2 at the top. It's got the pictures, and it's got our supplies. You're going to remember, pen, scissors. Don't wave it around like that. That was scary. And then, you're going to get our Day 2 paper packet. Now, there are some of these papers that you're going to need to put back. So you have 2 red papers. Take out one, put it back in your box. You have a blue paper. Take that one out, put it back in your box. And you have a black paper. Take that one out, put it back in your box. And then the rest of those you're going to use today. So close that box back up so you aren't tempted to use those papers, because you can't use those papers yet. Not yet. Don't do it. Put them back in the box. Good job. Proud of you. Okay, let's get started. No! What just happened? We had a pretty picture and then we mangled it. That's okay. We have a plan. But I want you to think about our story today, about how sin messed up God's perfect plan. Remember, sin's anything that we think, say, or do that goes against God. But do you remember yesterday's story? God created everything and made it perfect, but then today we learned that sin messed it up. And that's kind of like our craft. We made it perfect, we had it all pretty, and then we chopped it up, messed it up. But just like our craft has a plan, because we do have a plan, we're going to fix it tomorrow, God also had a plan to save us from our sin. So what I want you to do, I hope you got that picture that you needed. You have to take that picture. So if you have not done your craft yet, remember, you want to take a picture because you're going to put it back together like a puzzle. So tomorrow, that's what we're going to do. We're going to put it all back together, and then we're going to make it look better than when we started. So I hope you guys had so much fun today. We will see you tomorrow.